what is sarcoidosis and what are the extrapulmonary manifestations of sarcoidosis. Hello friends, happy Independence Day to you all. Today I will tell you what is sarcoidosis and what are the organs affected by sarcoidosis and what are the extrapulmonary manifestations of sarcoidosis. So sarcoidosis is a systemic disease which is characterized by granuloma formation, which will be non-cache-eating granuloma, and the granuloma will be found the organ it is affected. Then see, it affects actually a lot of organs and usually it resolves, but sometimes it is not resolved and replaced by fibrosis. Sarcoidosis mainly affects lung and related lymph nodes. When it affects lung, what are the things that it affects? It affects airway or parenchyma or lymphatics, and maybe all of them. Pathogenesis of sarcoidosis is still not clear, but it is believed that it is immunologically mediated disease which initiated by some inciting agent or some infection or some pollen or inorganic dust. What happens actually? After the inciting agent enters the lung, it initiates some immunologically mediated response, T lymphocyte response. Then it invites monocyte and it ultimately leads to granuloma formation. HRB1 is the gene which is at risk, said to be responsible, but though what is the exact mechanism, it's not clear. And 1 to 3% of patients with sarcoidosis have family history. So these are in short about sarcoidosis. I'll tell about the sarcoidosis in a different video in a detailed manner. Today I'll tell mainly the extrapulmonary manifestations. See, first I have already told you that lung is the most affected organ. Then we'll gradually discuss the other organs affected. First, CNS, central nervous system. Here it can cause a focal, meningeal or brain lesion. It can involve pituitary. It can cause cranial nerve abnormalities. Then come to bone. It can cause polyarthritis, lytic bone lesion. Come to skin. Erythema nodosum, lupus pernio. These are the manifestation of sarcoidosis. Comes to eye. Eye cause iritis, lacrimal gland enlargement. It can cause conjunctivitis. Come to heart. It can cause arrhythmia, left ventricular failure and sudden death. Come to liver. It can cause hepatitis. It can cause hepatosplenomegaly. Then other things like it can cause hypercalcemia, hypercalciuria. These are all different manifestation of sarcoidosis. I have covered almost everything. Maybe few are left. Then about lung involvement, I'll tell you in a different video because there will be vast thing to tell and many things in detail I'll tell you. So these are all extrapulmonary manifestation of sarcoidosis. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.